Hello everyone, welcome to More to Explore. I'm Miss Natasha and today we will be making ocean shadow puppets. Okay, in your kit you will find a pirate silhouette. This will require 2 of your popsicle sticks in your kit. You will also find a shark silhouette, dolphin, anglerfish, sea turtle, mermaid, and seahorse, each with their own popsicle stick. So in total you'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 popsicle sticks in your kit, and you'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 silhouettes. Pirate ship requires 2 because it's heavier. All right. And what you will still need from home is tape, scissors. If you have kid scissors, it works just fine. And then you will need a light source. And your phone has a flashlight option on there, which works perfectly for your shadow puppet play. All right, let's begin. Okay, so as you can see, we're gonna cut out each of our sea animals and mermaid, and pirate ship, of course. And we're going to cut them out, and then we're going to tape on the popsicle sticks. And that's all you have to do. And then for the puppet show, you just turn off the lights and use your light source, and you put this right in front of the light source so it creates a big shadow. Okay, so go ahead and cut all of your silhouettes. So I'll show you by making one, and then you can do the same for the rest. So I find the easiest way is to cut it out like a block, and then I go ahead and I cut out its outline. So now I have my sea turtle, and I'm going to take a popsicle stick, and I'm going to tape it right on the back there. And you don't need a big piece, just enough to cover the top of the popsicle stick. And then we're going to put it and tape it right on the turtle, the back of that. And you've got your puppet. And you're ready to go. So you're gonna do the same with all of these. The pirate ship is a little bit harder. What you wanna remember is you want to just cut out the sails, and you wanna keep the mast real thick. Don't make it thin. So just go around, lightly cut out your sails, and that's it. Did you know Chinese shadow puppetry is a form of theater acted by colorful silhouette figures made from leather or paper, accompanied by music and singing? Manipulated by puppeteers using rods, the figures create the illusion of moving images on a translucent cloth screen illuminated from behind. Many elder shadow puppetry artists can perform dozens of traditional plays, which are orally transmitted or found in written form.